Okay, keep coming. We're almost clear on this end. Ground power engaged. Initiating sequence.
Sequence stable. All systems on.
All hands, maintain position. We are lowering the cradle now. Easy on the descent.
All systems green. Lead. Tanks pressurized.
Acknowledged. Deploying now. Stay sharp.
Okay, let's secure the forward sling.
Copy. Engaging the strong point now.
I've got the strap moving.
Okay, keep coming. We're almost clear on this end. Secure the starboard strap. Roger that. Strap is secure. Tensioning now.
Rigging inspection complete. Divers confirm. You are authorized to lift.
Bring her down easy. Watch the stern. Steady now. Steady.
The corrosion around the landing gear is severe.
Did the meter get a reading on that seam?
We're clearing the debris now.
Secure the forward line.
Roger that. Easy on the crane.
She's clear for the lift.
Easy now, easy. Watch your clearance on the tail rotor. Bring it back 5 feet and stop. All right, give it one more crank on the front strap.
It's tight, boss.
Good, she's secure for transport.
Convoy 3 to 1, you are clear for the merge. Watch for civilian traffic on the I-5 South. Over.
Scan complete. Designate authorization, Sierra 7. All secure. Send the convoy through.
Keep it coming and easy now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Bring it down another 2 meters, slowly.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good on the grid.
All right, bring her down easy. We are clear on the port side. Copy that. Descending slowly. 3 inches to target.
Listen. This structural damage is critical. We need to update the schematics immediately.
Confirmed. The fracture extends further than anticipated.
Look at the pitting right here.
Yeah, that's deeper than we thought. I'm noting the coordinates.
We need those replacement harnesses by Q3 to stay on schedule.
I know, I'm updating the flow chart now. The supplier confirmed the lead time yesterday. We've got the mounting release. The saltwater destruction is extensive on this side too.
Agreed. Let's get it out of here.
The rotor head inspection shows significant hydraulic damage and bearing corrosion. Control linkage failure is evident. This requires a complete rebuild.
The internal inspection and gear examination reveals significant saltwater contamination and catastrophic bearing failure.
Check the B-scan right there. I'm getting a strong reflection at the fastener row.
Confirmed. Mark that area for eddy current inspection.
The saltwater exposure has caused severe damage. The short circuit melted the insulation. This entire section needs to be rewired.
Verify the specifications on the crate.
All matching the T700 requirements.
The serial numbers match the manifest.
Confirmed. Check the turbine blades for any residue.
Alignment is within tolerance, ready for install.
Confirmed. Moving the hoist into position.
Hold it right there. We are aligned on the mounts, roger.
Bringing the torque wrench in now.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment pins.
Steady on the hoist.
That's it, hold it there. Now the shaft. Certified balance is confirmed.
All right, let's move them to the installation bay.
The leading edge measurement is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The balance check passed as well.
Wash plate movement is smooth and free.
Confirmed. All connections are secured and torqued. Final check complete.
Final torque applied.
Tension gauge reads nominal. Confirmed, locked, and tracked.
The control linkage is connected. Hand me the torque wrench for final adjustments.
Here you go. Tension looks correct according to the manual.
Wire routing, connector installation, avionics preparation, system integration planning.
Locking in the primary fly-by-wire unit now.
Stability augmentation looks nominal on channel 1. Redundant systems engaging.
Clear on the left. Bring it down slowly.
The seal is engaged. Hand me the torque wrench.
Ground power engaged. Initiating sequence.
Sequence stable. All systems nominal.
The readings are still showing an imbalance on blade 3.
Okay, I'm adjusting the pitch link now. Let's recheck the tracking flags.
Confirmed. Optimization achieved.
Control, this is Incident Command. Confirming final safety checks are complete. All teams holding short. Stand by for ignition sequence.
Vibration levels normalized. Dampers performed within limits.
Confirmed. Safety check complete. We are passing the critical threshold. Check the vibration dampeners.
Stable. All parameters green and holding. Proceeding with the run.
Panels secure? Secured. Hydro's in the green. Controls checked and free? Checklist complete. Aircraft is fully mission capable.
Reviewing test profile Alpha. Confirming telemetry lock at T0.
Confirmed Alpha profile loaded. All systems green.
Smooth response confirmed on collective input, moving to cyclic sweep. Control authority is fully verified.
Engine parameters are good, all systems nominal.
Confirmed. Vibration steady, flight profile holding.
Initiating speed run now.
Copy. Stable at Mark 2, beginning the bank.
And that's it. Mission success.
Absolutely beautiful flight. Well done, sir.
We did it! The Invincible Apache flies again!
Great job, everyone.
Yeah, mission accomplished.